Dongyue Machinery Group is located in the Dongyue Science and Technology Industrial Park, Linyi City of Shandong Province. It is national large private entity enterprise set product development, production, sales into one. The group mainly manufactures more than 60 varieties of products, including 9 collections, large and medium-sized vacuum-free brick machines, complete equipment of autoclaved aerated concrete block production line, complete equipment of autoclaved aerated concrete panel production line, complete equipment of autoclaved sand lime brick production line, Type 1 and 2 pressure vessels like autoclave, new building materials such as autoclaved aerated concrete blocks, panels, and sand lime bricks, biodiesel, fuel DME, and vegetable pitches. A complete industrial chain has taken shape with building material mechanical equipment manufacturing as the main business and the new energy research and development as the auxiliary business, with independent development of core technologies as the front end and technology promotion and new building material production as the terminal, and with expanding domestic and foreign sales markets as the beginning and completing service network as the extension. As technology drives progress and quality creates superiority, Dongyue Machinery Group has been insisting on guiding innovation and development with science and technology. With teams of high quality consisting of a batch of experts, Dongyue devotes itself to introducing and absorbing advanced technologies, continuously increasing core competencies of the company. The company was the first in the industry to get the ISO 9001-2000 certification and the CE marking. Dongyue brand was recognized as Chinese famous trademark in 2010. It beefs up the technological innovation and attaches importance to dogging with international development platforms and seeking cooperation among nations at the same time. Dongyue Machinery Group always adheres to the operation principle of lean management and pursuit of excellence, and has the courage to challenge the summit of science and technology. It strives to set best quality as the core of its development. It has established a sophisticated management and quality control systems. Products of the company get the upper hand in a fierce market competition with the help of its expansive domestic and foreign sales network and first-rate after-sales service teams. At the beginning of 2012, Dongyue invested RMB 50 million in creating an integrated prototype production line in the Dongyue Science and Technology Industrial Park. The project successfully integrated 3 production lines, an autoclaved aerated concrete block production line with 300,000 square meters of annual output, an autoclaved aerated concrete panel production line with 150,000 square meters of annual output, and an autoclaved sand lime brick production line with 50 million pieces of annual output, and transforms a range of facilities such as silo, transfer crane, ferry cart, and separator machine to achieve multiple utilization instead of adding facilities. The project also helps with rational distribution of on-site devices and meticulous design, which in the end guarantee compact space without extending the workshop. Since it was put into production in the past June, the project has successfully achieved the production of B04 grade autoclaved aerated bricks, B05 grade autoclaved aerated panels, and perforated autoclaved sand lime bricks simultaneously. This full automatic production line was developed and manufactured by Dongyue Machinery Group and was appraised by experts assigned by the Development of Science and Technology of Shandong Province as domestically leading regarding overall technologies and internationally competitive in terms of product quality and production stability and controllability. Its overall design maximizes the space utilization of the plant. It flexibly controls product types according to market changes and provides clients with diversified references for design proposals. Science and technology lift us higher, pursuit of innovation speeds us up. Laying stress on services gives us a foresight. Dongyue concretes are manufacturing innovative building material machinery. It has undergone 18 years of glory with China and the world and looks forward to the future where his dream reside. Associates at Dongyue will confidently spread their wings to fly towards the peak of the machinery industry.